Class 9 exercise 1.2 classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Okay. Uh, Question number 1, root 27. Okay. Solution, root 27. Root 27 is equal to 3 9 is 27. 3 3 is 9. Okay. Root 27 is equal to 3 into 9. Root 27 is equal to 3 into 9. Okay, next 9 9 means 3 into 3. Okay, is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, 3 into 3, 3 square. 3 into 3, 3 square into 3. Okay, next root a into b. Root a into b is equal to root a into root b. Okay, and root 3 square into root 3 square, root cancel, and 3 root 3. Root 27 is equal to 3 root 3. Okay, root 27 is equal to 3 root 3. Root 3 is irrational number. Therefore, root 3 is also irrational number. Therefore, root 27 is a irrational number. Okay, next root 4 question number 2, 1.2 question number 2, root 441. 441, 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12, 3 7 is 21. 3 4 is 12, 3 7 is 3 9 is 27. Okay, 7 7 is 49. Okay, root 441 is equal to 3 into 147. Root 3 into 147 is equal to 3 into 49. Okay, is equal to root 3 into 7 into 7 is equal to, and 3 into 3, 3 square, 7 into 7, 7 square is equal to 3 square into 7 square. Root of AB is equal to root A into root B, because root 3 square into 7 square is equal to root 3 square into root 7 square. Square root cancel, square root cancel is equal to 3 into 20. 3 into 7 is equal to 21. 21 is a rational number. Therefore, root 441 is a rational number. Okay, next question number 3, 1.2 question number 3, 30.232342 30.232342 and so on is a non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. Okay, is not a rational. Okay, rational numbers, the repeat non-terminating repeating decimals are rational, and terminating decimals are rational, but 30.232342 and so on is not a rational number, is not a non-terminating and non-repeating decimal number. Okay, and it is a irrational number. And next question number 4, 7.4848 and so on. Okay, 48 is a repeating decimal. 48 is a repeat decimal, and either terminating or non-terminating is a rational number. Okay, terminating or non-terminating recurring decimal. 48 is a repeating decimal and recurring decimal. Therefore, 7.484848 is a rational number. Okay, next 11.2132435465 is a terminating decimal. Okay, 11.2132435465 is a rational number. Okay, next question number 6, 0.303003 and so on. Okay, this is a non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. Okay, therefore 0.303003 and so on is not a rational number, and it is a irrational number.